In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn everything about 215/40/12 golf cart tires. We have sold over 1 million golf cart tires here at the golfcarttiresupply.com. And when it comes to 12-inch golf cart wheels, there is no size on the market that is more popular than 215/40/12 golf cart tires. Actually, all three of these are 215/40/12 golf cart tires. And there's a few reasons why they're the most popular. The first major reason is that they fit all golf carts without a lift kit. And 215/40/12 tires, you can see, are just about the same size as factory Fleet golf cart tires, which are 18 inches tall. So that's an 8-inch steel wheel on an 18-inch tall tire. And your 215/40/12 tires are 18.5 inches tall. So they're a little bit taller, but it doesn't make a difference as far as fitment. 215/40/12 tires will fit every single golf cart on the market without a lift kit installed. They're also only 8.5 inches wide, which is the same as your factory tires. The second reason is that 215/40/12 golf cart tires are turf safe. And the reason that they're turf safe is that on average, they all have a tread depth of about 6 to 7 millimeters. So that's how deep the tread blocks are here when you're looking at the top of the tire or just over the top edge of the tire. And you can even see that they're very similar to your factory golf cart tires, a sawtooth tire, as far as tread depth goes. So the 6 to 7 mil tread depth means that they're safe for even the nicest country clubs in the world, which means you do not have to worry about driving your golf cart around at your local country club. The third reason is that 215/40/12 golf cart tires give a nice ride quality for their size. So when you move up from an 8-inch wheel to a 12-inch wheel, you're losing 4 inches of your tire sidewall. So you're going from this kind of taller, cushier tire on a small little 8-inch wheel up to a little bit of a thinner sidewall. And 12-inch wheels look amazing. We have so many cool styles on our site. This is the Trex Bullet in a 12-inch machined black. And when you're going up to get that beauty on your cart, you don't want to have a harsh ride quality. So what's nice about the 215/40/12 tires, these are 215/40/12 over here as well, but to show you on this side, what's nice about this tire size is that it still has a sidewall that's about 3.4 inches tall. So it gives just enough cushion to feel comparable to factory and not give a harsh ride. And that's the third reason that people really love these tires and why so many customers request their combo has a 215/40/12 tire on it. And the fourth reason is that all brands make this tire size. So you have tons of options and can get them for a great price. I mean, some of the most popular ones we sell are Wanda 215/40/12s. We sell Excel 215/40/12s. We sell Kenda 215/40/R12s, Trex 215/40/R12s. We sell, Arison just came out with a new 215/40/12. I mean, every brand makes this size tire, and it's for good reason. Last consideration before you buy a set of 215/40/12 golf cart tires is, do you want bias ply tires or do you want radial golf cart tires? We just so happen to have one of each sitting here for this video, but the regular 215/40/12 tires are just going to be measured as 215/40/12, just like this on the sidewall. Okay, you can see right there. And then the radial version of any 215/40/12 is going to be a 215/40/R12. So you can see right there, we've got the R in there. This is the Trex Street Glide tire. And these are gonna ride smoother, first of all. They're gonna last quite a bit longer. They're gonna hold their shape better, which is why they ride smoother. But they do cost a bit more. They're a bit more expensive because they have steel belts inside of them. I guess on that, we will say, if you have the cash to spend, definitely go with a radial. But the bias ply that you see on most combos out there, just like this one right here, that is a bias ply tire right there, it's good for most people's applications. Regardless of what 215/40/12 tire you choose, this is one of the most popular tire sizes on the market for good reason. It fits on every single golf cart, it's great around the neighborhood, and it works at every golf course because it's turf safe and because the tread depth is not harsh. So if you're thinking about upgrading to 12-inch wheels today, rest assured 215/40/12s will fit on every cart, and you can't go wrong choosing this size for your golf cart. We hope this tire video helped you out a lot. If it did, please drop us a like because it helps out our channel. Subscribe to our channel because we have lots of cool golf cart content coming your way. And please head over to golfcarttiresupply.com to get new wheels and tires for your golf cart. We have the coolest stuff ever, and we really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Take care.